Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into a steamy showdown that'll have you mopping up the competition. On my left, we have the classic BISSELL Steam Mop, the mop that promises to make your floors squeaky clean and your pets even squeakier. And on my right, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop, the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, perfect for those who like their cleaning tools versatile and their floors spotless. First up, the price. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop is priced at $102. Perfect for those who want to keep it clean without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for the performance it offers. Now, if you want to shell out a little more for a fancy name and some extra features, the Powerfresh Slim is sitting pretty at $164. While some might consider this a bit steep, users often highlight the added versatility and functionality as worth the investment. Now let's get to the good stuff: cleaning power. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop claims to sanitize your hard floors and eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using harsh chemicals. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness in cleaning various types of flooring and its impressive steam production. Sounds like a cleaning superhero, right? But wait, the Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop isn't just a mop. It's a powerful handheld steam cleaner in disguise. This bad boy can clean above floors too. Reviewers love its ability to tackle tough stains and even pet accidents, making it a favorite for Moving on to features, the BISSELL Steam Mop has a cleaning path width of 12 inches, perfect for those who like to keep things neat and tidy. It also heats up in just 30 seconds. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design and easy refill system. Now, the Powerfresh Slim takes the cake with its onboard storage kit. It includes a grout tool, an angle tool, and a flat scrapper tool. Reviewers love that it's like a cleaning toolkit on steroids. You can even attach tools for above-floor cleaning. This versatility is a huge hit among users who need to clean multiple surfaces. Overall, both products have received strong reviews from users, but they cater to slightly different needs. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop is praised for its straightforward design and effectiveness, while the Powerfresh Slim is celebrated for its versatility and range of cleaning capabilities. Users recommend both products for their ability to maintain cleanliness, but preferences vary based on individual cleaning needs. So what's the verdict? If you want a reliable, straightforward mop that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the BISSELL Steam Mop is your go-to. But if you're ready to invest a little more for versatility and extra cleaning power, the Powerfresh Slim is the mop that can do it all. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.